Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Pratyusha and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, beauty and much more. So make sure I subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free for you and it helps me grow. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few of my favorite footwear collection that I own. So it includes heels, flats, jutis, boots and shoe. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first up we have these beautiful pumps from Myntra. This is from the brand Mast and Harbor. So these got like a block heel which are comfortable for walking. These are in silver color. And then we have these black heels. I don't know from where my mom got them, but she gifted me. And this is how they look like. And these also got a block heel, not much heel, but only this much. I own a lot of heels because I'm short. Yeah. And then I have these pink heels. These are also like block heels, but these work more like wedges because this one and this one, they're on same length. So yeah, I got these from Sarojini Nagar from my trip to Delhi. So yeah, I got these for like only 250 rupees, I guess 200 to 250 rupees. So yeah, this got like a kind of a mirror thing. Next up I have these nude heels from Reliance Footwear. So these are from a brand called Comfort Plus, it's written. So yeah, these hugs your legs really well because of the straps. Next up I have these heels from Catwalk. These got like a very big heel. These are kind of wedges. So yeah. This got like this shimmer work all over. Next up I have these pumps from Myntra again. These are from a brand called Van Heusen. So these got like a point heel which are like comfortable to walk because these are very short heels. So this is of leather and it became like this because I didn't use them for a very long time. So if you own something of this material, then check on them like once in a while. Next up I have my favorite heels from my footwear collection. Like these are called the Zara Ozzy heels. These got like two transparent straps and a transparent heel. Though these are not that comfortable to walk, but these are my favorite. These are my favorite heels from the entire footwear collection that I own. And these retail for rupees 2990. Yeah, I'll link it in the description box below because if you want to get your hands. So coming to boots, I have these boots from H&M. So these are how they look like, and they've got like block heel which are very comfortable to walk. I wore these in my trip to Kashmir. Though all of my friends were wearing those rented boots, I wore these. These are very comfortable to walk on snow. Next up I have these shoe from Catwalk. Now I got these recently. These also got heel because I'm short and I want heel in shoe too. So yeah, this got like two colors, green and blue, which makes them so pretty. Next up, I have these jutis from Zudio. This got like pink floral detailing on top of them. So yeah, these are flats. tell me which girl doesn't own a beautiful pair of black heels. So here are the black heels. These are of sewed material, and these are from inch.5 if I'm not wrong. It's a inc.5. I can't walk in those point heels which are like this much and this much. No, I'm not comfortable wearing them. So that's the reason I always make sure that they got block heel. So next up we have these grey heels. Then I got these from Sarojini Nagar again. The quality is okay for the price, so I didn't use them much, but yeah, these are how they look like. Then I have these wedges from Zudio, which got like silver detailing on top, and this is also of sewed material. I didn't find them in my size. That's the reason I got them in like size 13-9, because I like them so much. So I use this pair of ugly looking or dirty looking slippers at home. They are very comfortable because they got like this material on top, and yeah, I know these are dirty, but I want to show you guys. Next up I have these Puma shoes. I use them for my workout or even while going for a walk. These are like the most comfortable shoe that I've ever used. So these are how they look like. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye.